Hey guys, Machines and Mal here, just out back at Mike's shop. If you remember from a while ago, we made a video about this Chrome Anything booth. Well, we haven't really gotten anywhere with that yet, but we got a new project the other day. He picked up the 68 Beaumont, and he's been doing little repairs to it, little touch-ups. What have you done up under the hood here so far?
Converted it to a Chevy style HEI distributor with 10mm wires.
Yeah, look at those babies, eh?
Instead of the old Excel coil and points that it used to have. Mm-hmm. And then changed the carb from an Albrock 1405 to a quick fuel 750 double pumper.
And then what did you do today?
Oh, and then exhaust cutouts. We put the exhaust cutouts on that are electronically controlled by a switch on the dash.
I saw them when you had it up on the hoist.
Can you see them in the video here?
I'm gonna see. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, so there's one on each side?
Yep.
And the dump out right there underneath your butt. So these were remote control before?
I just hardwired it into a switch on the dash.
But now they're wired into a switch.
But with the new distributor and the new carb, let's see how this baby runs.
Quite the difference.
Yeah, quite the difference. It's blowing shit all over the place.
Radical. I love it.
Oh my god. There's so much dust.
Yeah. So that you're saying this is a 403 400 wide block.
Yeah, Pontiac 400 wide block in this Beaumont.
That's gonna stay in here, or are you gonna do
I'm just
something?
gonna leave it. Does the job.
Does the job? Does the job. Enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
Right on. So guys, we'll see if I can talk him into taking it out. It's plated and insured right now. We'll see if we can talk him into taking it out in the road and leaving a couple tracks on the farm street out front of the barn. We'll see. Maybe I'll add that to the end of the video.